Hi guys, this is Paul Thompson, and this is a follow-up to the video that I did regarding making online payments using the Wise bank account with their virtual payment card. So I'm pleased to say that the goods arrived today, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel the virtual payment card so that nobody else can get access to it or use the information from that card. And this is one of the ways in which it can be completely secure. So if I go to my Amazon account, I can see exactly which card it was that I used. So it was 0745. So I just go to my cards in the Wise back office. I find the card, which is 0745, and I can simply delete the card. Card is gone. That's it. So nobody can use those card details ever again. That's how safe and secure this system is. And there you can see I can get as many additional virtual cards as I like without any limitation. I already have one there which I can use, and I'll be using that next time. But in the meantime, I don't need any more, so I won't be producing any more for a while, unless and until I buy anything else online, and then I'll create a new virtual card, use that, and then delete it straight afterwards. And there you go. That's how safe and secure the Wise virtual online payment card is. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for listening, guys. Take care. Bye-bye now.